Hello YouTube! In this video I will show you how you can reset Windows 11 without losing any data. So to get started you will need to go to search and type settings. After you open settings, check on the left for the system, then scroll down and find recovery. Click on reset this PC on the right and you will see two options over here: keep my files and remove everything. Keep my files is the one that we need right now, otherwise all the apps and data will be removed. After you click that, you need to wait a few seconds for the process to perform. Okay, so you have cloud download and local reinstallation. Cloud download requires more than 4 gigabytes of data to be available on your hard disk. So if you have them, it is best to do like this, because it will reinstall Windows and from the official site and the latest one. After that, hit next, and you need to wait a few more seconds. Perfect. Next, you will see some instructions over here, and you have an option to view the list of apps to be removed. So in my case, these are all the applications that will be removed after the Windows is reinstalled, but all your files will remain there. So all you need to do after that is just hit reset and sit back and relax so the Windows will finish the process.